All right, Lori. So you do UV light inspection of everything because I know you have pets. So there's some urine over here. Those are those spots that fluoresce only under UV light and not in the normal light. There's some urine over here underneath that plant there. We're gonna have to move a lot of this stuff out of the way. There's urine up here. There's some older urine there. There's some urine there. There's a spot of old urine here. And that's everything for that room. Now your conference room here. Over here, I don't know why it glows so bright right across there, but you can see that area lighten up more than the rest of it. I'm not sure what that is. Might be an old urine spot. No clue. But I'm gonna clean this. There's definitely urine here, there. That I don't know what it is because the urine fluorescence